Episode 3, Hunted in the Woods. You made it, barely. The city was a death trap, you knew that. The streets were chaos, desperation turned neighbors into threats. The only choice was to leave, and you did. You slipped past the worst of it, staying low, staying smart. Now you're out, but you're not safe. The forest should be a relief, a place to disappear, to regroup, to survive. But something isn't right. You can feel it, that uneasy sensation, the prickling at the back of your neck. You're being watched. You move carefully, every step calculated. Stay quiet, stay unseen. The trees stretch endlessly, the ground littered with damp leaves that threaten to betray your position with every movement. No roads, no signs, no way of knowing who or what might be out here with you. And then you hear it. A branch snaps, not from you. You freeze, breath shallow. It's not the wind. It's not an animal. This was deliberate. Slowly, you lower yourself into the undergrowth, pressing against the cold earth. Stay still, listen, footsteps, they're light, careful, not rushed, not panicked. Hunting, you swallow hard, scanning the dim forest. How many are there? Who are they? Did they see you? You grip the small knife at your belt, the only weapon you have left. A gun would be too loud, a fire would be too dangerous. You're out here alone, and whoever they are, they're not. You consider your options. Run? Too risky, too loud. You don't know the terrain well enough. Hide? If they know you're here, you won't stay hidden for long. Ambush? You don't even know how many there are. Then the worst sound imaginable. A whistle, not random, not accidental. A signal. They're communicating. They know where you are, and they're closing in. Your pulse pounds. They're hunting you. Not lost travelers. Not other survivors looking for help. Predators. And you're the prey. You need to move. Now your heart races as you slide through the brush, every muscle tensed. The sound of movement is closer now, more than one person. You're being surrounded. Your only option is to break the line, escape before they close the circle. But then another sound, a second whistle. You freeze. This one is closer, too close. A shape moves between the trees, a figure dressed in dark, tattered clothes, slow, deliberate. Their head tilts slightly, listening. They don't see you yet, but they will. You can't stay here. You can't get caught. This is no longer about survival. It's about escape. Do you have what it takes to make it out alive? Would you survive? Subscribe for more survival scenarios like this, because one day this might not be a story. It might be your reality.